Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make the camera follow and zoom in on your character in Godot. I already have a simple 2D scene with a character that moves using the keyboard, so we'll focus only on setting up the camera. First, select your player or character node in the scene tree, choose Add Child Node, and add a camera to D. This way, the camera will automatically move with the character. To make the movement feel nicer, enable Position Smoothing. Then adjust the smoothing speed until the camera feels smooth but still responsive. If your level has boundaries, you can stop the camera from going outside the map. Under the camera, 2D settings, set the left, right, top, and bottom limits based on your level size. To zoom in or out, go to the zoom property. For example, setting it to 0.8, 0.8 will zoom out, and 1.5, 1.5 will zoom in. Adjust these values until it looks right. If you want dynamic zoom, you can control it with code. For example, in your player script or camera script, you can set camera.zoom to a vector 2, like this. Now, run the scene. The camera should follow your character smoothly and stay centered, and you can see the zoom effect in action. And that's it! You now have a camera that follows your character and can zoom in and out in Godot. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Godot tutorials.